Hi, this is Kevin at Tutor with the Best, and you're watching 1 Minute Math.
Finding derivatives of inverse trig functions. I think it's best if we put them in a chart. If we have our function sine inverse of x, its derivative is going to be 1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared. Cosine inverse is very similar, just negative. And tangent inverse, its derivative is 1 over 1 plus x squared. As always, we want to be careful how the chain rule interplays. So, for example, if we had tangent inverse of u, the derivative of that function would be 1 over 1 plus u squared, but then we have to finish the chain rule and multiply by the derivative of u. Here's another example with a real function inside. Let's say we have sine inverse of 2x minus 1. So certainly chain rule, the 2x minus 1 is the inside function. So if we take the derivative of the outer function, we'll have 1 over root 1 minus 2x minus 1 squared. We'll finish up the chain rule by multiplying by the derivative of the inside function, which would just be 2.
If you'd like to see more videos like this, click subscribe, or check out the next video in the series by clicking below.